This is Aska Tanveer with Kashmir Panorama. Political analysts and civil society activists have said that the Indian media has become a propaganda tool for the Bharatiya Janata Party, especially regarding Pakistan and Kashmir dispute. According to Kashmir Media Service, political analysts and civil society activists in their interviews and statements in Srinagar said Indian media is notorious for fabricating stories and spreading disinformation, particularly targeting Pakistan. They said coverage of Pakistan and Kashmir in Indian media is a mockery of ethical journalism standards, adding India is leveraging media, cyber warfare, and terrorism as hybrid tools to destabilize Pakistan and suppress Kashmiris. They further said Indian journalists and anchors are parroting narratives that align with Modi's official policies. They said the EU Disinfo Lab has already exposed India's malicious tactics and its deep-rooted animosity towards Pakistan. The political analyst and civil society activist said RSS-affiliated Indian media is actively promoting the Hindutva agenda under the guise of nationalism, and India's war-mongering, hate-driven media is a key ally in advancing Modi's fascist agenda. Moreover, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the Bharatiya Janata Party government's Hindutva onslaught aimed at depriving Kashmiris of their typical cultural and religious identity in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar denounced an indecent fashion show in Gulmarg in Baramulla district during Ramazan. He said, such nude fashion show in Gulmarg during Ramazan is a shameless mockery of our faith, culture and identity of Kashmiris. He said such inhuman and anti-Kashmir events are unoperated as Kashmir is known for its religious scholars, culture and the deeply religious outlook of its people. Those involved should be immediately held accountable. Such obscenity in the name of tourism promotion will not be tolerated in the territory. APHC spokesperson urged the Kashmiri people to resist BJP Hindutva India's attempts to erase the political, cultural and religious identity of Jammu and Kashmir. He said India is changing the demography of the territory and is thrusting its cultural enroachment with aggression on Kashmiris. The perpetrators enjoy immunity under oppressive laws like the Armed Forces Special Power Act, highlighting a severe lack of accountability and justice. Notwithstanding the fact, the controversy surrounding an obscene fashion show in Gulmarg has raised question about who truly holds authority in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, as Chief Minister Umar Abdullah has sought a report from the administration following public outrage. According to Kashmir Media Service, Umar Abdullah acknowledged the widespread anger, calling it totally understandable. In a post from the Office of Chief Minister, Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir handle on X, he stated, the images I have seen show complete disregard for the local sensitivities, especially during this holy month. He directed local authorities to submit a report within 24 hours, promising further action. His response followed a statement from MIWA's Umar Farooq, who condemned the event as outrageous and demanded accountability. He warned that such obscenity in the name of tourism promotion will not be tolerated in Kashmir. In addition to that, National Conference senior leader and member of parliament from Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Agha Syed Ruhullah Mehdi, has expressed shock over reports of incident and in the indecent fashion show aimed at the holy month of Ramadan held at World